Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Happy Place Ballinda.
Yeah, it's from Shopkins.
Yes.
Yeah, let's have a close-up of the pack. This is a Sporty bar gym with 2 exclusive packets.
Sporty
Beer.
gym.
Yeah, I forgot it's a bar. I like to go to bar and drink orange juice, right? You don't
Where
drink
is bar?
a bar. You want to drink some beer? No beer for kids. And I don't drink beer. I don't drink orange juice or tomato juice.
You don't drink orange juice?
Packets.
Why you don't drink orange?
No, I say I drink orange juice, no beer. I don't drink beer.
But I hear you say you don't drink orange juice.
Oh, I'm
That's
crazy
what
now.
I heard.
Okay, let's open it.
Oh my gosh. Was that crazy, man?
Yeah, you're crazy.
Oh, there's a stand. There's a coin stand. I'm pretty sure that's the stand right here. Let me take out the stand.
Do you look like Ballinda?
I am not Ballinda.
I mean, you don't look like her.
I don't have green hair and I don't have a braid. Kelly's ready. Oh, I can put the ball inside the ball basket. And Ballinda can hold the basket. Oh my gosh, I just sneezed. Why do I keep breaking things like loose in? They always get loose. This is easy to get it loose. This is easy to get lost either. So be careful, guys. Don't lost this ball. Put it in the basket.
Yeah, it's a
Let's
Patkins.
take Ballinda out.
It's a Patkins.
We can take off her clothes. I see
You need-
the back.
yeah.
Sloth.
You mean it somehow
We
or what?
don't want to make her late. No. Okay. She's wearing a medical inside. She's actually
Oh, I
wearing
think it's raining outside. You hear the rain?
Really?
Yeah, it's
When I
raining.
take off her back of the dress, she has it too. Look, guys. Nobody. Hey, it's Mr. Cameraman. Okay, we're just waiting for him. Okay, look at this man.
Oh,
He's just wearing a ballerina.
yeah.
But she can keep her shoes like the there's balls around her. Let's put her on
Her
the
name is
stage.
Ballinda. Once
Let's
again,
put her-
Ballinda. B-A-R-I-N-D.
Ballinda. She only has one side with a hole. You know
Okay.
why?
Because you need to stand on a
put-
stand. And she can carry the basket.
Yeah, she can. Oh no, it's the wrong hand. This is supposed to be the hand. And the ball is inside the ball.
You
And
love. Hey, tell me why you like Shopkins and all the other related.
Because I watch YouTube and I also like Descendants too. Now I changed my mind. I only like the channel Funny Cake. She has so much subscribers, so many followers. And she has the whole crew is one funny, one gold, one rainbow, one Draco, one lunar. They play Roblox and Minecraft at the same time. They like both of them. Now I like their channel more than Descendants, everything.
How about your channel?
Yeah, I like the channel.
Oh, you need a supporter. You need a lot of followers, right?
I don't have them.
You ask the people to follow you.
Oh my gosh. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us big
And follow you on.
big us up. And follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. Bye.